Okay, I've started the recording thing just now.
Okay.
And Ishita, you can put the chat, both of this one. Sabah has also joined. Good. Sabah, hi. Rita, is this Rita Dame or some other Rita?
No, I'm Rita Panjwani.
Okay, hi Rita.
Hi.
Okay, so wait, give it another minute more before we start. So Rita, where are you from? Sorry, Rita, where are you from? Hello. Hi, Jyoti.
This is Anika talking, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a few people who've joined us now. So let me introduce Get Set Up. We are a platform for the seniors by the seniors. We have some wonderful sessions scheduled for April. Suggest all of you go online on our website and check it out, because we have a whole range of sessions, from exercises, yoga in the morning. We have technology and dance, music in the afternoon. And then in the evenings, we have some wonderful guest speaker sessions. Today, in fact, we have Dr. Rajiv Valavekar talking to us on general health. He's not somebody who's like here very often, so I suggest you all go and register for the session. We also keep having some very entertaining sessions like Tambola and quiz and on finance. So please go on the website and register for all our classes. Anyone who is new, I think, who was new here? I'm so sorry. Is that Matilda was new?
Anju.
Yes.
Anju, yeah. Please, there is a link put on the chat. Click both the links and join our WhatsApp group as well as Facebook, so that we keep sending live links. So you will not miss out on any of our sessions, even if you forget to.
I've joined.
Great. Thank you so much. That will like really help. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I've joined it too.
great. Thank you, Anju. Very nice. Thank you. So today we have Usha, who I hope she's spotlighted because I'm on gallery view. Is she on spotlight?
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, hi. So Usha is one of our members who is like, we just love her because she's there on all the classes. She's so encouraging. And she just did a lovely we had a lovely sibling session about 2 days back. She has 3 sisters, and all 3 of them took part in the session, and we had a lovely time, really lovely time. So today she's so sweet. I mean, I told her, Usha, what about cooking? Can you do something? Show us your talent at cooking. And she agreed to it. And so she's going to show us some like fast, snacky stuff today. So I'm going to hand it over to Usha. Usha?
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Usha Ved.
Good
I like
afternoon.
to cook, actually. This is one of the hobbies. So I wanted to share a few recipes which are very lighter and you can make it quickly. Like बहुत जल्दी से हम बना सकते हैं उसको. और समर टाइम चल रहा है तो कई बार हमारा मन भी नहीं करता है कि हम ज्यादा किचन में रहें, तो ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप प्रिपेयर करके पहले से रख सकते हैं और फिर 2 मिनट में आप बना भी सकते हैं. तो स्टार्ट करें. चलिए. सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे ग्रीन स्मूदी, हेल्दी ग्रीन स्मूदी. दिन की शुरुआत हम ग्रीन स्मूदी से करते हैं, तो हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. तो मैं इसके लिए आपके साथ क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं वो शेयर करूंगी. Are the ingredients visible to everybody?
Yeah, we can see that.
Okay.
Can everybody see the ingredients? Hello?
Yes.
Can you all
Yes.
please
Yeah.
unmute and
Yeah. Yes, we can
Okay.
see.
Good.
But
good.
still,
Okay.
Yes.
yes, now we can see.
ओके. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये स्पिनच है, कुछ 3-4 पत्ते स्पिनच है, 2-4 पत्ते डंडी ये धनिया है, पुदीना है, बेसिल पत्ता है, पान के जो छोटे छोटे खाने वाले पान आते हैं ना, उसके छोटे पत्ते मैंने लिए।
अभी अभी
आवाज आ रही है?
yeah, we
Yes.
can hear you.
ओके, छोटे पत्ते लिए, तुलसी तुलसी ली है, थोड़ी सी तुलसी ली है, 2-3 पत्ते जिसमें है ये।
Usha, where do
करी
you
पत्ता
get
है,
the
करी
pan
leaves.
ka patta? Usha, where do you get the small pan ka patta?
I have little kitchen garden in my balcony.
Ah, okay.
So many things I have.
Okay.
So I use all of them mostly for my
Okay.
smoothie. Okay, this
Okay.
is the curry leaves, and this is ajwain ka patta, and this is basil. Basil. You can add tulsi also. And this is Indian gooseberry, आंवला जिसे बोलते हैं, विटामिन सी से भरपूर होता है और बहुत अच्छा रहता है हेल्थ के लिए। ये ग्रीन हल्दी है जो अब तक मिल रही थी, तो मेरे पास थी तो मैं यूज कर रही हूँ। और ऐसे ही वो सफेद हल्दी आती है, आंबा हल्दी जिसे कहते हैं, तो मैं वो भी यूज कर रही हूँ। इसमें डालेंगे आधा नींबू। हम इस स्मूदी में आधा एप्पल, आधा से थोड़ा हल्का एप्पल कट करेंगे, इस तरह से चॉप करके रखा है मैंने, वो भी ऐड करेंगे। इसमें है आधा क्वार्टर टीस्पून मैंने दालचीनी का पाउडर लिया है, क्वार्टर टीस्पून मैंने काली मिर्ची का पाउडर लिया है इसमें, और आप सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट, लेकिन मैंने क्वार्टर टीस्पून लिया है। आप कम ज्यादा अपने हिसाब से, अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से उसे कर सकते हैं। ऐसे ही मैंने हाफ टी स्पून फ्लैक्स सीड लिया है, जो हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। तो हम ये सब चीजें मिक्सर में डालेंगे, इसे ऐड करेंगे।
नाम बोलते जाओ ना वापस, जो भी डाल रहे हो।
हाँ बिल्कुल बोल रही हूँ। मैंने इसमें पालक के पत्ते डाला है, तुलसी डाला है, कड़ी पत्ता डाला है, धनिया डाला है, और पान के पत्ते अभी डाल रही हूँ, अजवाइन के पत्ते डाल रही हूँ, और बेसिल पत्ता डाल रही हूँ। अब ये मैं गूसबेरी के छोटे से 2 छोटे सेक्शन लिए हैं, ये सेगमेंट्स लिए हैं, इसको मैं हल्का चॉप करके डालूंगी, जिससे वो अच्छे से ग्राइंड हो जाए, स्मूदी के लिए अच्छे से
What
mix
is
हो
that?
जाए।
What is that?
Indian gooseberry,
Gooseberry.
आमला।
आंवला।
Okay.
Okay, this is green haldi. Sorry, or haldi what we get now fresh. I have taken a just small piece of it. And this is amba haldi, which is again good for health. You can add ginger to it.
Amba
And,
haldi you get in the market.
yes,
Amba.
the
Okay.
coriander vendor only you get in the
Okay.
season.
Oh.
Generally you get this in winter season. So I'm adding this also. I'm adding this also, the apple, to this mix, and I'll squeeze the lemon. And I'll just add 150 to 200 ml of water to it. Okay. And just I will grind it to a smooth paste. If little chunk is there, any piece is chunky in that, doesn't matter. Okay. And actually, to save the time, I had prepared the smoothie in advance. To save our time, I will show you how it comes out.
Wow, lovely color.
Thank you.
So have
So
you
this is
strained
the-
it? Have you
Pardon?
strained it? आपने
No.
इसको छाना है क्या?
हाँ, ये मैंने छाना नहीं है. You should not actually strain this. This is very healthy to have. This is very, very healthy to have, and it tastes very good because salt, pepper, and dalchini powder is there. It tastes very good, and you can have this with 4 pieces of almond and 2 pieces of this walnut pieces.
Walnuts.
So it becomes
Can we
a
add some
healthy-
cucumber to that?
Yeah, of course you can. You can add.
Because summer
You
में
can
अच्छा
add-
रहेगा ना?
You can actually, I'm going to share something more. You can add half of the capsicum also. And 1 second. Sorry for that. 1 minute. Yes. You can add half of the banana also. If you don't like apple, you can add half banana if you're not diabetic. You can add watermelon and muskmelon also. These are in season now in summer. So you can have small pieces of that if you are non-diabetic. You can add grounded flaxseed also. And you all can add this. We can add apple cider vinegar also. 1 teaspoon if you like the taste. It is very good. And you can, if you're non-diabetic, you can add 1 teaspoon of gulkand also. When you add gulkand, it tastes like lovely. You immediately make, whenever you make this smoothie, immediately have it. It tastes very good. I hope you all like it. Have it with a soaked almond and soaked walnuts.
Wow.
Wow, lovely. Looks very refreshing.
Yeah.
Shall
Generally,
I
in my
share
family,
the
everybody has
ingredients?
this in the morning.
Usha, do you want me to share the ingredients? Whenever you want me to share, just let me know.
Yes, you can share the ingredient of the smoothie now.
Okay, just hold on one
And
second.
if anybody has any question, you can ask me.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes. I just wanted to know how do you make this pan plant? You sow the seeds or you get the sapling?
No, I got it directly from the vendor,
Right.
gardener. Yeah,
Okay.
from the nursery, I got the plant,
Mhm.
and then I
Right.
take
So
care.
otherwise they are available on the pan shop and also like, you know, vegetable market also, right?
Oh, they are
Yeah,
quite big ones, huh? They are quite big ones. The leaves, these are very tiny looking leaves.
Maghai ka pan
So
bolte
for
hain
the
ise.
big ones, you ask for the Kolkata pan and use half the leaf of it. You
Right,
can use
right.
1 full leaf also. If you
Okay.
like the taste, you use 1 full leaf. Doesn't matter. It tastes good. It is
Thank you.
very good for health.
Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else? Have any question, or we can proceed with the other recipe?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. So now I'll be sharing Chinese bale recipe with you. It is so simple. I never liked Chinese food anytime. So whenever we used to go on Sundays out, in my family, children used to say, "Mommy, chalo Chinese खाने चलते हैं." और मैं कभी भी नहीं जा पाती थी क्योंकि मुझे उसका टेस्ट नहीं पसंद आता था. पर my sister Manju shared this recipe with me, and I made it at home. I'll tell you, this is so tasty, so easy to make. I will share the recipe with you all now. So for this, we need definitely the fried noodles, which you get now directly in the shops also. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of these noodles. You can make it at home. And this is 2 tablespoons of carrots. I have grated them. And this is cabbage, 2 tablespoons of cabbage. Again, I have grated them, thinly cut actually. And this is 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. So these are the dry items we have. And now for the sauce, I have taken 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. To this, I have made this mixture of garlic, ginger, and green chili. So, I'll be adding half teaspoon of this. Half teaspoon of this to the sauce. I'll be adding a pinch of salt to this. A pinch of sugar to this. And a pinch of little orange color to this, for that market color, what we get in the outside market or hotels, we get that color. So they add color to this recipe, this sauce.
This is Chinese bhel.
Yes, this is Chinese bhel. So now first we will add to the bowl this noodles. And this has lots of vegetables. ना अगर आपको बच्चों को खिलाना है तो this is the best way. नूडल के नाम पे सब्जियां भरपूर. इसमें हमने ये कैरेट डाल दी, कैबेज डाल दिया, ये कोरिएंडर, चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर डाला है, और अब ये सॉस इसमें मिक्स करेंगे हम. One, two, water. Spoon water. I'm just mixing this. Now again, I'm adding little, and it's ready. Just mix all of these, and it's ready. So I will serve this in any good bowl you can serve.
Looks yummy.
Thank you. Is
That,
that Jyoti?
yeah, that looks so
Yeah.
good, Usha.
Thank you. Thank you. So
Yep.
this is, and you can just sprinkle a pinch of sugar over it for that, little more crunch and sweetness. And it tastes yummy, I'll tell you. In every party starter, I make this always. Please do try. This is very simple and yummy. I hope you like this. Do you have any question regarding this?
Are you
Yeah,
going to show the list of ingredients?
Repeat the mixture of the sauces.
Yeah, I will share the recipe ingredients. No, Anita, can you please share that? ये रहने दो यार.
The previous one, can you show me again?
You can take the screenshot if you have logged in directly.
Just now,
I'll-
only the sauce thing is seen, the other ingredients.
Pardon, I couldn't hear you. Can you repeat what you're saying?
We can see only making of the sauce right now. The other ingredients,
Making of the sauce. Okay.
that is seen here on screen just now.
The other one more page
Other
is there.
ingredients.
Chinese bake. It is written
Huh.
Chinese bake over that. No, slide before this. Yeah, this.
Huh. Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Are you liking it?
Yeah.
Very
Hello,
nice,
give me a
very nice.
thumbs up,
Tempting.
Usha.
please.
Very nice.
Yeah,
thumbs up.
superb.
I like.
How can we tell? We cannot taste it.
How does it look? Is that Beena?
Food is
Good
always
in-
first eaten by
good.
eyes and then by tongue.
Okay, we learned the smoothie. We learned the Chinese bhel. How about playing a game? Hello,
What is
everybody.
it, a food game or something? Is it a food game?
Is it a 1 minute game? Just 1 minute game. You all will love it, I hope, because it is a cooking class. I'm sure you all are with your pen and a paper, or grab it fadafat. I'll wait for 2-3 seconds for that. Please grab it. We'll play one good game, which is very, again, it is very, very easy, simple and easy. Are you all for it? Show me a
Yes,
thumbs
yes,
up,
of course.
guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Can we start with the game?
Yes, we can.
Okay. चलिए, तो अभी हम ये गेम खेलेंगे. ये गेम ऐसा है कि आपको इस गेम के बारे में लिखना है, जो मैं बोलूंगी वो, और जो भी इस गेम के लिए लिखेगा उसके बाद जब टाइम दिया जाएगा 1 मिनट का, उसमें जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो या तो आप चैट में लिखिए और या फिर आप अपना पेपर जो लिखेंगे वो दिखाइए और बोलिए. आप अनम्यूट करके बताएंगे कि आपने कितने नंबर्स वो लिखे हैं, तो उससे पता चल जाएगा हु इज द विनर. खेले, स्टार्ट करें हम.
Yes.
ओके ओके. तो ये गेम ऐसा है कि हम रोजाना किचन में जाते हैं, तो हमको खाने में जो यूज होती है वो चीजों का नाम लिखना है जो कलर में सफेद है, which items which are white in color. So your time starts now. 1 minute I am giving you all. Please start. व्हाइट व्हाइट क्या चीजें होती है किचन में? जल्दी जल्दी लिखिए. Don't write it on the chat. Write it on the paper, then share.
So
How
whoever
many
writes the
items?
most, they are the winner, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Anita. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है सुबह की शुरुआत से. बहुत सारी चीजें हम व्हाइट यूज करते हैं. आप लोगों ने गेम हो सकता है किसी किसी ने खेला भी हो.
How many seconds more?
Yeah, we are done. 1 minute is over.
Okay,
please share.
maybe y'all can just say how many ingredients y'all have.
Total, yeah.
I
Total.
have 7.
9.
I have 10.
Wow.
Nine.
10. So far, 10 is
Wow.
the highest. Anybody else more than 10?
13.
Who's
I have
13?
11.
Oh,
Indira.
Indira,
Wow.
13. Okay. Anyone else? 13 is the highest.
great.
अनीता,
Yeah.
आपने नहीं लिखा.
Indira, so 13. Just read out what you have written.
Yeah.
Till, white till. Will each floor be part of white? I'm not too sure. Salt, sugar, garlic, radish, cauliflower, milk, curd, buttermilk, butter,
Wow.
egg, and rice.
Wow.
Okay. Very
How
good,
many
very
you
good.
have, Usha? How many do you have?
I have just written now. I have 50.
I have
More?
11.
How can
I have
50.
50 items.
I have poha, salt, sugar, atta,
Yeah.
maida, rava,
Yes.
corn,
Yes,
soda,
yes, you're right.
tin, and baking powder.
Yes.
My list is also
Wow.
increasing now.
Yeah,
Good.
rasgullas and kurmura. So many items are there. Samaka chawal, rava.
Yes.
Sabudana.
Just like we have
But
not
time
done.
was not enough. 1 minute is not enough.
Not enough. My God. I hope you enjoyed the game.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Thank you.
Yes, very much.
Okay. So now we'll be learning one more recipe, which is again very healthy. That is, and very simple to make. Corn bhel it is.
फिर बनाओ सोपरा रेसिपी मड़ी ले
This is the, which ingredients you are asking? Can you share your ingredients? Which ingredients you are asking? For the game you are asking? Are you
Whose
asking for the game?
iPhone? We cannot know. We can't see the
Yeah.
name of the person. It's just mentioned iPhone. So whoever is typed on the chat, if you can just type your name as well, that will be nice.
Yes. Okay, I will. How to do, Anita, for this?
Don't worry. You just you start. She wants to know the names, 50 names on your game list.
Okay, I will put it in the class notes.
Yeah.
You will get in your class notes that. Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, okay. Let's start with the other recipe, which is corn bale, which is again very simple and healthy too. So these are corn kernels. I have boiled them a little. These are 2 tablespoons, very small quantity. These are sufficient. Whatever I have made today, smoothie is for 1 person. Chinese bale was for 2 people. This is again corn bale is for 2 people, you know. And this I have steamed, boiled a little. I'll be putting this in the bowl. I'm adding again 1.5 tablespoon of small cut in cubes paneer. This is raw paneer. I have not sauteed them, just raw paneer. Just adding to the corn. Again 2 tablespoon of boiled potato chopped. 1.5 tablespoons of chopped onions. Little coriander and the spring onion leaves. So that is 1 tablespoon, you can say. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of peanuts. This is optional. If you like, if you can add. If you want to avoid, you can. I'm adding it here.
But is it boiled peanuts or just peanuts?
No, these are the roasted ones.
Okay.
You can add boiled one also. You can add boiled. That's a good question. It is, you can add boiled one also. Those are healthy ones. Okay. To this, you can add, if you like green chili, you can add, you can totally avoid also. I'm adding it here. Half a chili it is. It is green, half chili, very finely cut. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of bread croutons. These are very small ones. I just made it at home only. Agar aap if you can make it in oven, that is okay. Otherwise, you can just saute it in the pan also.
So you can just tell them how to make it, Usha. Just tell them how to make. How did you make the bread croutons? Can you just tell them?
Just roasted it in the pan.
Okay, so you cut bread into pieces and
Yeah,
just
cut
roasted it.
bread in the square piece and then roasted. No
Dry
oil, no
roast.
butter. I did not use oil or butter to this.
Okay.
You can make it in non-stick pan also. But it takes little time, you know, you have to keep the flame on slow. It takes little time, but it is healthy then. And if you want to add butter, that is also okay. Now to this, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Just mixing them all. You can add the cucumber also, fine cucumber to this. But this is very healthy evening snack. This is very healthy evening snack.
But I thought with corn, you usually add a little butter for taste.
Yeah, but healthy people, you know, they have this.
So the
If you go for
unhealthy
taste,
people
there's
eat
no
with
health.
taste.
If you go for
So if you like, you can add definitely. But I generally make it like this. And I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of bhujia. We call it bhujia. It is save actually. It is not that save puri wala save. It is it is called 2 number wala save. Means it is little thicker than the that small fine save. It is little thicker than that save. And Haldiram bhujia tastes awesome in that. So I'm adding that. You can add pomegranate seeds to it. Then that looks very, you know, colorful. Just, it's done. It is so easy to make. It is done. And believe me, it tastes very good. So
How about some chaat masala to that?
Yeah, that is up to you. I'm telling you, this is very simple yet very tasty. You can add chaat masala to it. We have added lime to it, so I thought it is not needed. I'm not adding it. I make it like this only. It's very simple and you can make it very fast. So we will serve it now.
So I can see Mahavir also on here. So
Oh, Mahavir
Mahavir,
is there.
does she really cook so well every day, or is it just today she's showing us?
I love her food. The
Wow.
best part of her is that she gives me the best food possible. I don't want to go to the restaurant.
So what is the thing that she cooks well the most? Which dish?
Everything. I love whatever she cooks. She wants to go to the restaurant, so I have to go, or else I wouldn't go.
Wow, Usha, did
Thank
you
you
train
so
him
much.
to say that?
Thank you so much. He tells me, he shares that. And sometimes when we go to the restaurant, he says, "Are yaar, isse acha khana to tum banati ho." Thank
Very
you so
nice,
much,
very nice.
Mahavir. So this is
Yeah.
our corn bill.
Okay.
You all have any questions, friends?
Only when will we get to taste it?
Yeah.
Please come to Bombay,
Yeah,
Mumbai,
exactly.
Santa Cruz. We will have it together. Please come. Anita?
So, Usha, is there this thing over there, the corn bale recipe as well?
Pardon? Yeah, recipe is there.
Okay,
is there
just
on-
let me just see where that recipe is for me to share. Just hold on. I can see the Chinese bale, green smoothie. Yeah, okay, fine. So let me just share my screen and show it to everyone. Can everyone see this corn bale? Whoa, it really looks good. I
Yes.
couldn't see it very well on the on Zoom because it's a little far, but looking at it from here in this picture, it looks so good.
Yeah, in the
Very
picture, my favorite ingredient is missing, that bhujia.
Ah, okay.
They was
So you
missing.
put capsicum also then in this, capsicum
Yeah,
also.
you can. We can add this was the basic thing, but we can add the bell peppers also, finely cut bell peppers.
Okay, very nice. Okay,
Thank
has
you.
everyone got this? I'm stop sharing.
Anyone has any question, please?
Can we use that frozen
Chinese
corn?
bale, Chinese bale.
फ्रोजन कॉर्न
Chinese
से
bale.
बन सकता है? फ्रोजन
क्या
कॉर्न
पूछ
यूज
रहे
कर
हैं?
सकते हैं? फ्रोजन कॉर्न यूज कर
फ्रोजन,
सकते हैं?
हाँ। जब आप फ्रोजन कॉर्न, गुड क्वेश्चन, जब आप फ्रोजन कॉर्न यूज करेंगे तो आपको उसे बॉईल करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसे आप थोड़ी देर बाहर ही रहने दीजिए, क्योंकि ये ऐसे गर्म नहीं होती है, ये नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे होती है। ये दोनों ही चीजें, चाइनीज बेल भी नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे है, ये भी नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे है।
Can you please share this corn Chinese bale? I missed it.
You want the recipe of the Chinese bale?
Yeah. I
Okay,
missed
I'm
it.
just going to share it for like 2
Okay.
minutes because I think
Okay.
everybody else has already seen it, but I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
share it for you
You
for
can
2
show
minutes.
it last also. No problem.
Thank you, Jayashree.
Yeah, here, this is the Chinese bale.
1 minute. I'll just note it down.
Okay, that
Take
would
a
take some
screenshot.
time. So yeah, we will send it to you later on. Okay.
Okay. On my
Please
email.
share green smoothie. Hello, green smoothie.
Okay, Geeta, I will share it. Usha, do you have anything else to show, or can I
Are we going to
share
get
the
recipes in the class notes? Now, one of my favorite thing I am showing you.
What
Hello?
were you showing? Some tips. Some tips were shown just
Hello?
now on the slide.
Hello.
What were those?
Yeah.
Some tips were there.
Hello.
No, it
I
was just a
couldn't hear
recipe.
please
It was
repeat.
just a recipe.
Are we going to get the recipes in the class notes?
Yes,
No,
yes,
you
you
will.
will.
You can just note it down now. We will try sending it in the class notes, but you can just. That's the reason we are sharing the slide as well.
Okay, but I haven't been able to take the screenshots.
I will show it all again once more towards the end.
I have a problem. My memory is all full in my phone, so that's a little issue. So I was hoping that it will be shared in the screen.
We will try sharing it in the class notes. Yeah,
Yeah, that'll be nice. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
Okay, can we start with the other recipe?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are trying a fruit art, which is made out of only 3 fruits. So we'll be using this banana leaf. If you get it, it is okay. If you don't get, then you can make on the plate which is white or green in color. You can use that. It enhances the color of the fruit art. Okay, for this particular one. Okay, for this we need 2 bananas and 4. I have mentioned in the recipe 4 kiwis and 2 oranges. Okay. Now I will peel the banana.
You've taken really ripe bananas, I see.
Yeah, these are ripe ones. You can.
No, I
eat
mean the one with
actually.
those black dots, is it?
No,
The
no.
little extra ripe.
Yeah, little. Not. It is firm only. It's
Regular.
not that.
Okay.
Yeah, regular. So I'm just cutting like this and removing the last base part a little and place it on this leaf and use the second leaf.
You are making coconut tree.
Yes. सही जवाब. ये किसने बोला? बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Sabha. Sabha.
पापा. फिर से हम इसका भी बेस पार्ट ये छोटा सा निकाल देंगे ताकि ये उसका टॉप लगे. मैं आपको दिखाती जाती हूँ थोड़ा टिल्ट करके दिखाती जाती हूँ. ये आपको दिख रहा है अभी?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Okay. So for the base, I will actually remove this plate. I'll place the base.
Oranges, is it, Usha? Orange.
These are orange segments. Okay. Now I'll make leaves out of these. Kiwi.
Whoa, how cute is that? Very nice.
Can you all see this?
Yes.
Thank you.
Tempting, very tempting.
Thank you. This is all. So we are ready with our.
Very nice. Really very cute. Do you actually do all this when guests come to your house?
Yes. That
And
is
then
why I
what
love
they-
to share. That is why I thought of sharing few of the things because I make
Okay.
generally all of these table
Wow.
decoration. Once
So
I
you
had
mean
done
to say they get to have a buffet in your house, huh? With all the fruit art and everything like that.
Please do come. Once I had made this when it was Bhaiya Dooj, and I had made all South Indian items, and for the table presentation I had made this. I had decorated the sides, white flowers, mogra flowers.
Wow.
It was very beautiful.
Very nice. Very so creative and nice. Really nice.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Anybody else has any questions? I can just share the screen and see if it is there. The picture is there. Yeah, it is here. So this is the close up of
Yes.
the food art. I think it's so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I like the colors on it. Huh?
Yeah,
Very
that
beautiful.
actually attracts, very attractive colors,
Yes, very
white,
attractive.
orange, and green.
Yes.
Yeah, it's looking very nice.
Yeah, looks really good. And it's so easy to do it also,
Yeah,
actually.
I catch
Nothing
it.
much.
Himani, your parent,
Bananas,
it is eye
but I
catching.
think I'll start eating now. It's looking so tempting after seeing this.
Yes. So that is very nice. Okay. Usha, can we ask someone else if they have any good tips to share? Or you have
Yes.
anything more? If you have some more, then you can continue.
Yeah, actually, I have one yoga tip for this.
Please. Okay.
When you're cooking, we ladies mostly when we cook, our head is down, correct? So most of the time, like 2 to 3 times we go in the kitchen and our head is down. Or if you're not cooking, if we are texting, that time our head is down. So in yoga, we say sit erect, spine straight, and then just take your chin up towards the ceiling. Drop your head behind. Now also you all can try, sit and try how much stretch you will get in your neck, and you will get the good stretch in your spine. That will be beautiful stretch. Just try, take your chin up, drop your head behind. And when you are dropping your head behind, just open your mouth wide over there only. Open your mouth wide there and close now. Open and close. Open and close. Do it, please. Open and close. Sit straight. Drop your head behind. Take your chin up and slowly come to the center. Again, you can do this 3 to 4 times in a day whenever you feel comfortable. This really, helps avoid this shoulder pain, neck pain, or cervical. This is helpful in, avoiding cervical pain also. If you have any more questions, please ask. Unmute yourself.
That was a nice tip for yoga, a nice short little tip. Since we are all sitting, I think
Because
we
I do this.
definitely needed
Because I
that.
do this
Yeah.
whenever I go in the kitchen.
Whenever you go in the kitchen, you said?
Yeah, whenever I go in the kitchen, I walk for some time. When I come out, I do this. I sit straight. I close my eyes. Then I just take my head up, chin my up, drop my head behind, and just breathe. Just breathe. Good spine stretch you get. And this is good for, neck also, thyroid also. It is very good.
I think this can
Do
help
try.
you for not getting wrinkles here as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Sorry, Anita, you were saying something.
I forgot what I wanted to say.
I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
Yes. I was just wondering, like, if you have anything more to say, or I can open it up to everybody else as
Yes,
well.
yes,
because
please do
we
that.
got another
Please open
15
it for
minutes. But
everybody.
before that,
Sorry.
a real big thank you, and everybody can unmute and clap as well, just to say a thank you to Usha. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Usha.
Sabha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Usha
Like,
ji.
really
Thank
sweet.
you so much.
We
Open and
really-
close the mouth. फिर से बताइए, open and close the mouth.
Not complicated, very simple and easy ingredients. It was very nice. Thank you so much, Usha. So anybody else has some tips, cooking tips rather? Anybody?
Usha ji, you told now open the mouth and close. How it was?
That is like when you go up, I'm showing in front camera now, but when you go up, when you take your chin up, you should do it like this, full mouth open. You see where you are getting the stretch. You will get the stretch near your eyes, your ears, your neck, your collarbone, your chest also. When you take your chin up, you feel the stretch here. That is very good. Do try.
Thank you.
And please keep breathing then. Don't hold your breath.
Anyone has some very nice tips that you can share with all of us?
Yeah, that is also possible. Chin up and kiss the ceiling and smile. Kiss the ceiling and smile is, kiss the ceiling and smile is.
Oh, so you're supposed to look up and do
Yeah,
that, is
it
it?
is very simple.
Usha?
Take your head up and do this. Very easy. Some of the stretches
But
are
how does
very
this help, by the way? How does this help?
you do it and you see. Unless you do it, it is an experimental yoga, you know. You should when one tries, then only you experience what changes you are getting. Where are you getting the stretch? If I'll tell you, you will not experience that. You do it yourself.
This one is
Tightens the face muscles.
it's good for double chin also. The opening and closing the mouth while stretching
Face
your neck.
yoga.
Very good
It is
for
face
this
yoga.
double chin. It's a
Tightens
yoga.
the face muscles.
So you do yoga also, Usha? You do yoga also?
I'm a certified yoga instructor.
Oh, okay.
So
So
then
that
it's
with all this healthy
2013
stuff, you're
Thank
killing it. With all this
Thank
healthy
you.
stuff and yoga and everything. Like, yeah, we're feeling miserable over here, Usha. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, so healthy, nice snacks. I hope you all got the joke. I don't know.
That was a good one, Anita. What you said is very true.
Yeah, right, exactly. Yes, anyone else over here? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure all of you all are great cooks. Why don't you all share maybe one secret recipe? Not a
Thank you,
recipe even.
Nayantara,
Yeah. So
because I'm
anything.
happy today. I'm happy. That is why my face is glowing. Thank you.
So, okay, all that is like fine. Now, I want to know any of you over here would like to also take sessions? Anyone here? Can you all please unmute yourself and let's talk? Because, I can see only very few people on the video and nobody else is talking either. So can you all just unmute yourself and let me know if you also would like to take a class like this or on not necessary
Yes.
cooking, on anything, in fact. That would be like really nice. I mean, we are open to give the platform to anyone who would like to share anything that would be helpful for our members. Anyone? Mohana? I know, I got you. You can unmute
Sabah.
yourself. Yeah.
Sabah can share, Sabah.
Who?
Sabah is good.
Yes, Sabah is good. Sabah is doing anyway. So Sabah is like one of our very, very active members. Yeah. So yes, Sabah is always on. Anyone else who is good at not only cooking, anything else, please just unmute yourself and let us know how talented you are. And in fact, yesterday we had a very nice session on how do you, come out of your comfort zone. I think all you people need to get there because nobody seems to be talking. So you need to come out of your comfort zone and do something like special or something that you've never done before. So if you're a little, the shy or you're reserved or something like that, I think this is a perfect platform for you to try out whatever you want to. What do you say, the others who've
Hi.
already done so?
Hi, Anita.
Yes.
Okay, this is Seema here. I would just like to share a small tip. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people know about it, but I would still like to, I can share this.
Thank you.
Usually
Yes.
in the summers, we keep butter in the fridge.
Mhm.
So when you instantly want to use it,
Mhm.
what we really have to allow it to thaw. So what we usually do is just cut, slice off as much butter as you want from your block, put it in a small plate or
Mhm.
a small dish,
Mhm.
and then just add normal water to it and leave it for about 2 minutes, and the butter becomes softer and faster to use.
Oh,
So
I mean,
I've tried this. I learned this from somewhere, and I found it very useful. If this really
Butter
helps.
tastes the same with water in it.
Yes. Butter and water never mix. It stays the
Okay.
same. You just drain off the water. The butter becomes soft and nice.
Okay.
wow. I mean, can you just repeat that once more? I didn't catch you in between. What were you
Okay,
saying?
so you slice off as much butter you want from the block of butter that you have in the fridge.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and then you put it in a small deep dish
Hmm.
so that the butter gets submerged in the water. Pour water over it, pour normal water, normal temperature
Oh,
water, and leave
okay.
it. Yeah, put it aside for about a couple of minutes,
Hmm.
and you will see the butter becoming soft enough for you to use. So
Okay.
you drain off the water
Interesting.
and use the butter.
Okay, that's like really interesting. Very nice.
Yes, it really works well. I also learned it from somewhere, and I find it very, very useful.
Yeah, that's very nice. Interesting. Yeah, that's absolutely a fact because every time you take the butter out of the fridge, you always forget to take it out before. And then when you
Yes.
have to use it, it is like so hard. Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
that's a good idea. Thank you
You're
so
really
much.
rushing to make a sandwich or something for your
Yes.
work or your children or something, and then you're really upset because it's very hard to put the butter on the bread when it's so hard.
Absolutely. You're right. True. That is so
That
true.
really
Thank you.
helps.
Thank you for sharing with us. Anybody
You're
else has some cute little tip like what she just told us, which is so helpful on an everyday basis? Anyone else has anything to say? Rita, you're another one of those super good cooks. Yeah, Rita. So do
Anita,
you
can
have
I
any?
share?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yesterday I have made the onion ka pakoda, and that left. So I made that Punjabi curry today. That I
Oh,
want to share.
okay. So you put that in the Punjabi curry.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Very nice, Abba. Thank you. And anyone else would like to? What did y'all cook today for lunch? Anybody made anything special? Rita,
Yeah,
what did you make?
I made a sai bhaji and
What bhaji?
sai bhaji.
What is that?
That is a Sindhi dish in which you put all the bhajis, dil bhaji, palak, khatta bhaji, potatoes, or sorry, tomatoes, and chana dal. You soak the dal for some time and then you cook everything together. And with that you make brown rice. So to make the rice brown, you have to make the onions black.
We've also made sai bhaji. Can you believe? Bhogacha and sai bhaji, which I made.
You made, is it?
Oh, sorry, I was on it. Oh, yes, I have also made sai bhaji and bhoga chawal.
Okay. So both the
Okay,
Ritas have made the same recipe.
Yeah, I know
that
both the
is also
Ritas.
Rita, I'm so surprised. It's same food we have made.
I know.
It's a
So is it that you
special
have to
food.
eat the sai bhaji with the brown rice?
Brown rice, yeah, it's a brown rice.
It goes well with brown rice, is it?
Yeah.
Very special Sindhi food. Every person knows sai bhaji.
Okay, okay, interesting.
Is
So
it
you said you have to
something
brown the onions, no, Rita?
Yes, yes. You have to make the onions almost black and then put the water and put the rice in it. So the white rice will get the color of the onion.
Brown.
And by the time they are cooked, they become brown. The rice used is white only.
Okay, okay, understand. And this bhaji, what all you
Can you
put?
repeat
Palak?
that, please? Can you repeat that again? How do you make the rice brown?
Yeah, so you have to put some ghee in a pan, put taj loving and bay leaves, put onions, saute them on a very slow flame till they become black, and then add water to it. When the water starts boiling, add rice to it. And add salt and cook it properly. So you get a nice flavored brown rice. And it goes well with the sai bhaji.
So this sai bhaji, what all goes in it? You said palak. What else?
Again for sai bhaji, you keep oil, put a little jeera in it. You don't put this rye in that. Mustard seeds, you don't use it. You just put some jeera. Then chopped onions. Once the onions are almost brown, not black, just brown, that time add chana dal soaked in it and add palak. Khatta bhaji comes, one particular type of bhaji is there. It is called khatta bhaji and suwa. So add these 3 bhajis and nicely either you can pressure cook it or you cook it in open only by closing the lid. And you add tomato to it and all the regular masalas.
So everything you
salt.
put at one shot and just boil it, cook it, pressure cook it, you mean?
Yes. Once the onions are sauteed, then you put dal and bhajis and you pressure cook it. Put
And
everything
the
and then pressure cook.
tomatoes
Tomat-
afterwards.
No, that also goes nicely. It gets cooked up.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but dal should be soaked for 3 to 4 hours so that it is easy to cook it.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you very much. So
Welcome.
thank you all of you for joining us today. It was so nice to thank you, Usha, Rita, Seema, whoever
My
shared all your recipes. So sweet. Thank you very much. We really enjoyed it so much. And so again, once more, if one of you is good at cooking, please give me a call. I'm going to put my number here on the chat. Anyone, not only for cooking, even if you want, if you're good at anything at all, just give me a call and we'll try to see how we can have a session with you as well. So my number is 93077866361. Okay, so you can give me a call, note that number down and let me know. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anita. Thank
Thank
you.
you for the
Usha.
nice
Thank you so
session,
much.
all of
Thank you,
you. Thank
everyone.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Usha.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Shari.
Thank
Nicely
you.
explained.
Welcome.
Jayashree, thank you very much. Join us for the chat session at 4 o'clock, okay? We're having a chat session, so would like to see all of you there at 4.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks,
Thank
Usha ji.
you.
Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Yes, we'll try to do that.
Anita ma'am, you can end the meeting, I think.
Yeah.